Welcome to the Batchelor 2021 and 2022 Open House. Please join us in standing for a moment of silence followed by the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please stand by for a short message from Mr. Gilpin.
Good evening, parents. We're so thrilled to have you back in the building. I know it's been a while since we've been able to have people in the building, so thanks for joining us. Hopefully you can get a good tour of what the school looks like, since some of you this is the first time. Plus you get an opportunity to follow your child's schedule, get to meet each and every one of their teachers. We encourage you to try to follow the guidelines students have about moving in the hallways and the stairwells, so you get a real sense of what their day is like. You'll get the 4-minute passing period, and then you'll get to spend about 4 to 7 minutes in each of the classrooms to hear some things from the teachers about what the students will be learning this year and some of the things they're currently doing. And you get ask some questions about maybe the content itself. We do ask that if you have specific questions about your student that you kind of set that up at a different time, because we're really not, it's not convenient, as well as it's not really designed for that kind of open house. So feel free to talk with them afterwards about setting up an appointment, either through Zoom or coming in and visit with us. But again, we thank you for coming, and thank you for bringing your kids and trusting with us, and be proud to be a Bulldog.
Thank you for attending this year's open house.
Bye.